Welcome everybody to the course. I'm really glad that all of you are here. Thank you again for checking out this course. I'll start off by explaining what web scraping is, as this course is all about web scraping. So, in simple and brief terms, web scraping is extracting data from the internet. Why do we need to do that? That's a valid question. Why do we need to extract data from the internet? So we live in an age where everything is being uploaded on the internet. Like daily terabytes of data is being uploaded on the internet. And with such amount of data, you could perform analysis and you could actually improve a lot of things. Like if you're a businessman and if you're launching your product, you could learn more about the market. Like, okay, what do people like? How they how like how will they respond? How they respond to your product launch, or how can you improve your product? So what like but all of this information is on the internet, so you need some tool, you need some way to actually get that information out of the internet. One way would be to hire hundreds of persons to do this stuff, or the other way, the smart way, would be that you write a computer program which does this for you, and conserves your resources. So this is what web scraping is about. So the next question is, what is this course about? This course is about like how can we access web pages programmatically. We'll be using Python for this course. So this course will teach us how like how we can parse a web page to extract required data, like to extract required data from that web page. Like let's say you want to get photos from some web page. So how are you going to do that? Like let's say there are thousands of photos. Don't tell me that you're going to download like each of them individually. I mean, like that is going to take a lot of time. So we will learn how to parse a web page and extract our required data from our web pages. So we'll cover this stuff in this course. And next, Python has this module which is known as BeautifulSoup. This is a parser for parsing web pages. We'll learn this too in this course. So in this course, we'll also learn how we can interact differently with our web pages and how we can move around and play around with them, do different stuff. So we'll also learn that, and you can say that you could say that it is an introduction to automation, automating different stuff on internet. You can say that in simple terms. So we'll be using Selenium for interacting with web pages in this course. So to sum it up, to sum this question, like for the answer to this question, I can say that briefly it is about how we can extract data from any kind of web page using a programming language. In our case, it is going to be Python. So the last thing is that what will you learn by the end of this course? At the end of this course, you'll have a deep understanding of how websites and servers function, like how are websites hosted and how do they send requests to servers, what are servers, what are websites, and how does this communication take place. So you'll have a deeper understanding of how this works, how all of this works. Then you'll learn different data extraction techniques which are being used worldwide, like the best practices, the worst practices, like things you have to avoid, things you have to keep in mind while you are scrapping data, and how can you do this in an efficient manner. You learn this by the end of this course. So and like we'll also learn how to handle how to handle a lot of data, and how we can actually parse that data and get it in the required format we want. So I really look forward to teaching you this course. So I hope that you're excited about this. So I think let's get to our first tutorial. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.